Students, observe that 42 question. Integration sine of tan inverse x dx. Take here tan inverse of x is equal to t. X is equal to tan t. X is equal to tan t. Derivative of tan inverse x, that is 1 by 1 plus x square dx, that is equal to dt. Dx is equal to 1 plus x means tan t, tan square t dt. 1 plus tan square t dt, secant square t. I am substituted here. Secant square means 1 by cos square. Right in denominator, cos square t dt. Now observe this, sine by cos tan, one more cos is there, that is secant. Secant t into sine by cos tan, tan t. Integration secant t tan t, that is secant t plus c. Secant t formula under root 1 plus tan square t plus c. Tan t means already we know that is x. So final answer is 1 plus x square plus c. So third option is correct. Secant t under root 1 plus tan square t. In place of tan t, I am written x. So under root 1 plus x square plus c, that is answer. Now, see the question. Integration tan cube 2x secant 2x dx. So this is the question. How to do that? Here, take that secant 2x, that is equal to t. Derivative of secant x, formula secant x tan x now. Secant 2x into tan 2x into internal derivative 2 dx, that is equal to dt. Now secant 2x tan 2x dx, that is equal to dt by 2. This is. Now go to the question, integration. Here tan cube 2x, sir. That is, I am writing tan square 2x into tan 2x into secant 2x dx. Tan square 2x means, that is, we can write secant square 2x minus 1. Yes or no? Now remaining is same, that is 2x secant 2x dx. Here already I am taken secant 2x is equal to t. Substitute here. Substitute, we get integration t square minus 1. This value is dt by 2. Now write 1 by 2 outside. Integration t square, t cube divided by 3 minus t plus c. Now take LCM. Denominator take outside, 1 by 6. Here t cube minus 3t plus c. What is t? Already we know that. Substitute that. Secant cube 2x minus 3 secant 2x plus c. This is the final answer. So by observing the options, second option is correct. I think student, all of you understood now. I'm going to next question, 44, 44 and 45. I think these are easy questions. See that 44 question, let x e power x is equal to t, x e power x is equal to t. Now apply the differentiation. E power x is constant, x derivative 1 plus x is constant, e power x is derivative e power x into dx, that is equal to dt. Now this is e power x into 1 plus x dx, that is equal to dt. Now those values substitute in the question. Integration dt divided by sine square t. Integration 1 by sine square. 1 by sine square means that is cosecant square t dt. What is integration cosecant square t? Minus cot t plus c minus cot t means already we know that x power e power x plus c. This is answer. Which option is correct? Second option is correct. Some of the students always charting chart box, always in chart box. No need. If you know that, do it yourself. I can't see every time in chart box. Okay. If you have doubt, write in chart box. Okay. Now go to the 45. So this is also same like that only. X into e power 2x, that is we can write e power x into e power x 1 plus x dx. Here also we can apply same condition, x e power x is equal to t. Now substitute integration t dt, that is t square by 2 plus c 1 by 2 into t square. T means x e power x whole square plus c. This is the answer. Observe that which option is correct? Fourth option is correct. Another problem, 44, 45 easy only. I'm going to 46. This is important question. In IPA, I think this is a long answer. How to do this? See here, answer already given. Sine inverse of sine x plus cos x divided by a is said. That means after observing the answer, I am decided that sine x plus cos x, that is equal to t. Do the differentiation, derivative of sine x cos x, derivative of cos x minus sine x dx, that is equal to dt. So numerator part we got, but in the denominator sine 2x is there. This is do that squaring on both sides, squaring on both sides. Sine square x plus cos square x 1 plus 2ab, 2 sine x cos x will come, 2 sine x cos x, that is equal to t square. 2 sine x cos x value, that is sine 2x. Sine 2x is equal to t square minus 1. We got sine 2x also. Students, are you understood? By observing the answer, I am decided that sine x plus cos x is equal to, I am taken t. Okay, then apply the differentiation and apply that squaring on both sides, we get. Right, now go to the question. Go to the question, that is equal to integration. I'm writing directly, numerator part is dt divided by under root 8 minus, what is sine 2x? T square minus 1. This is. Overall, observe this, dt divided by under root. Here, after calculation, here will come 9. 9 means 3 square minus t square. Now, this is in the form of integration 1 by under root a square minus t square. What is the formula? This is sine inverse of t by 3 plus c. If you don't know formula, observe the question, then you will understand. Sine inverse of t means here sin x plus cos x divided by 3 plus c. So by observing the question, we need to find a value. Comparing both, finally we are decided that a value is 3. Students, all of you understood now? In the question left hand side, they didn't give n sin x plus cos x. Okay, but by observing the right hand side, I am taken. If you are taken sin x plus cos x is equal to t, apply the differentiation on both sides, then will come numerator part. Cos x minus sin x dx is equal to dt. And denominator sin 2x is there. So here there is no sin 2x value. So that's why this is take and apply the squaring on both sides. You will get sin 2x value. Then those values substitute and simplify. Apply the integration formula. You will get answer. 46 completed. I am going to 47. See that 47, what they are giving. Integration f of x dx is equal to f of x. Then integration f of x whole square dx is equal. Here we know that derivative of function, integration of function. When we will get same, dy dx of e power x. Okay, and integration e power x dx, that is also e power x. Yes or no? If the function f of x we are taken e power x means we get answer. Finally, I am decided that f of x is equal to e power x. Now go to the answer. Integration f of x whole square dx. That means integration e power x whole square. E power x whole square dx. This is I am writing e power x into e power x dx. How to do this? Let e power x is equal to t. Then you will get. So this is integration t dt. What is the answer? 1 by 2 t square 1 by 2 t square plus c. What is t? E power x whole square. But e power x means what? F of x only now. This is f of x whole square plus c. I am written plus c constant here. They didn't written. Okay, no problem. So correct answer is first option. Here x take common. So x power 5 take common and power 1 by 5 is there. You will get outside is x. 1 by x power 4 minus 1 whole power 1 by 5 divided by x power 6. X cancel. Here 1 by x power 4 minus 1 is equal to t. Apply the differentiation. Dx by x power 5 is equal to minus dt by 4. Substitute here. Integration t power 1 by 5 into minus dt by 4. Integration t power 1 by 5. T power 1 by 5 plus 1 divided by 1 by 5 plus 1. That means 6 by 5. Instead of t, again write that 1 by x power 4 minus 1. So this is final answer. Third option is correct. Next question, that is 49th question. 49th question. Denominator, observe that tan x tan 60 degrees minus x tan 60 degrees plus x. That means this is tan 3x formula or not? Tan 3x. This is the formula, standard result. Now substitute integration 1 by tan 3x dx. That is equal to integration cot 3x dx. What is integration cot 3x? Log mod sin 3x. But x coefficient 3 is there, write in denominator plus c. This is the answer. Observe that options. Which option is correct? First option is correct. First option is correct. Next. Who are completed 49th one? Go to the 50th question. How to do this? Denominator 1 plus cos x is there. So numerator, take that 1 plus cos x is 1 unit plus x sin x divided by x into 1 plus cos x dx. Split that. 1 plus cos x, 1 plus cos x cancel means remaining part only 1 by x. Second term, x cancel, sin x by 1 plus cos x. Sin x formula 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 divided by 1 plus cos x formula 2 cos square x by 2. Okay. Now observe that integration 1 by x plus 2 cancel, cos also cancel, we get tan x by 2 dx. Students, up to here understood now? Numerator and denominator we are separated here. Split 1 plus x cos 1 plus cos x, 1 plus cos x cancel means you will get first term is 1 by x. Second term x cancel. Sin x by 1 plus cos x is there. Sin x means 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. 1 plus cos x means 2 cos square x by 2. Now observe the calculation. We get integration 1 by x plus tan x by 2 dx. What is integration 1 by x dx? That is log mod x plus integration tan x by 2. So there are two different formulas. What we have to write? Write logarithm formula. Write logarithm formula. logarithm of mod secant x by 2. But x coefficient 1 by 2 is there now, right in denominator, plus c. Now log mod x plus 2 into logarithm of mod secant x by 2 plus c. This is answer. Integration of tan x minus log cos x or log secant x. There are two types of formulas, remember it. So finally, correct answer is second option. And here observe that x coefficient 1 by 2 is there. Don't forget that. If you are forgot that, you will get first option. Actually, first option is wrong. Even observe that. If pi by 4 less than x less than pi by 2, then integration sin x minus cos x divided by under root 1 minus sin 2x. First, we want to simplify that. Root 1 minus sin 2x. Root 1 minus sin 2x means that is sin x minus cos x whole square under root. Square root cancel, you will get modulus sin x minus cos x. But they are given limit pi by 4 to 90. That means this is totally first quadrant. The total value we get sin x minus cos x, positive only. Under root 1 minus sin 2x. 1 means we can write sin square x plus cos square x. Sin 2x means 2 sin x cos x. By observing that, I am decided sin x minus cos x whole square. Square root cancel, we get mod sin x minus cos x. So already given particular condition, in that interval sin x minus cos x is positive. Okay, students. Now substitute. Integration sin x minus cos x divided by those value I am writing directly, sin x minus cos x into e power sin x into cos x dx. These two terms cancel. Now remaining part is integration e power sin x into cos x dx. Here onwards, how to do you know very well. Take that sin x is equal to t, cos x dx that is equal to dt. Now apply this integration e power t dt, that is e power t plus c. What is t? Sin x. So answer is e power sin x plus c. This is the answer. So first option is correct. First option is correct. Students, are you understood now? Now go to the 52 also. How to do that? 52. Already in right hand side question also given. Right hand side already answer given. We need to find k value. And see the denominator. Integration dx divided by a into e power mx plus b into e power minus mx. That is, we can write like this now. 1 by e power mx dx. Now take the LCM, and e power mx is going to numerator divided by, and denominator take b also common, b common, we get a by b e power mx whole square plus 1, this is into dx. Okay, now how to do that? How to do that? 1 by b integration e power mx divided by under root a by b e power mx whole square plus 1 dx. Here do one thing, under root a by b e power mx, that is equal to t, root a by b integration and derivative of e power mx, e power mx into m dx is equal to dt. Finally, e power mx dx, that is equal to under root b by a into 1 by m dt. This is. Now here we can substitute 1 by b under root b by a into 1 by m integration dt by t square plus 1. This is. Students, are you understood now? Here see that denominator b is there. B we can write root b into root b. 1 root b cancel. Finally we get m into root ab integration dt by t square plus 1 tan inverse of t plus 1 plus c, sorry. What is t? That's we can write here. 1 by m root ab tan inverse of t means under root a by b e power mx plus c. This is the answer. What is the k value? K value, p value, both they are asking. See that?